Pearl Academy is already creating a new generation of sustainable fashion designers. There's lots of people here getting their hands on cloth and making things, and there's a love in that, there's pride in that, there's hope and aspiration. And that's, they want to take it somewhere. Subtraction cutting is organic, it's alive, and it's always changing. So it changes with every time I make a pattern, it changes with every interaction I have with a person and people I teach. And it changes because they bring difference to it. They do things in a different way. Little sort of new little accidents and changes can occur. And so it's always going to be changing as long as people are humanly passing it on to each other. Sometimes when people make zero waste, they spend a lot of time on the garment pattern, getting it absolutely right, making sure no part of it is wasted, that there's no scraps that are being not used. But it can also slow down the process of making. What I like to do is to cut the fabric up into its different shapes, and if there's a part of the fabric you don't know how to use yet, keep hold of it, keep hold of all the scraps and find a use for it during the process. Everything the designer approaches is always bringing in trends and is feeding on the world around us, on the inspiration that we gather, and it's reflecting our personal approaches and the things that we sort of hope for. And all of these are kind of getting wrapped up in the design and getting passed on through runways and through promotional work that brands do.